So here in level 2, we're going to follow these instructions. Run the program to see how it works. You'll need to hit the run button, discuss with a neighbor, or discuss the differences between console.log and set property. Be as specific as possible. Modify console.log and set one property to this program. So see how it says set property, big button, background color blue. So let's try this. See what the program does. All right. So again, here it says starting my program down at the bottom. Then it changed the color of the button, changed the height of the button, changed the text of the button, and then ended the program. We want to add a console.log. I might do something like here between these set properties. So I'm going to say like console.log. Hi there. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. We're going to use these set property functions. So a function is something that is basically a piece of code that does something. So set property takes the following arguments. First, it finds the item with this ID. Then it sets the background color of that item to blue. I can change it to purple. It says add one set property to this program. Okay, so I can turn around and go set property. And I'm going to change the value of the big button. Big button. So I'm targeted my ID. So see where it says set property, ID, property, what property we want to change, and then what value we want to change that property to. So I could even like change the X and the Y. Actually, let's do this. Let's change Y instead of making our background color blue. Let's change the Y, and we'll change it to 0. Now, see, look, that doesn't have quotes on it. It's a number. Let's see what this does. Click finish and you're done.